Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell. The bell is important. Click the bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Vlogmas day 18, and in today's video I'll be giving you guys an updated Q&A, the last Q&A for 2022. So in another video here, I'm gonna try to be honest as possible. A matter of fact, I might not edit this video, even though I always say I'm not gonna edit one video and end up edit the video because me have bad list down and sometimes the pronunciation, yeah, but I'm gonna be honest as possible. So I did make a post on my Instagram telling you guys to ask me anything at all. I'm on a really OD, but I got some good questions, some of them similar, but we're gonna just run through them real quick. And also I pull out my on the seat. Guys, the braid did make me feel dirty all when me bathe. So I'm not too long wash my hair, you know, just give it 2 granny plats. After I finish that video here, me I go twist it out because I want to wear my natural hair for at least 2 weeks. No, me head can't look up on Christmas Day. Me no want to deal with me hair. Me no want to get up and comb the hair. Me don't know, we figure it out, but me feel clean right now. I feel well bathed. Feel like my bathe good. How does it feel to be an adult? We'll be honest, right? So it feels good. It's just the responsibility part get to me sometimes. Me ball and pray. But as an adult, if you set goals and work towards them, budget and prioritize, you'll manage. Just try to do your best. Some days it's hard, some days I don't want to be an adult, some days I just want to lay down in the bed and do nothing at all. I don't want to be bothered, nothing. But me have to get up and do what I have to do because me not have mommy or daddy. I do certain things to me again, like wash, cook, clean, pay bills, certain little stuff. If I ask for help, I'll get it, but no, I'm my responsibility them. If we be lackadaisical, then nothing will get done. So you have to just, as an adult, you have to work for what you want. So the work where you put in, it you get out and just set your goals them and work towards them and be mindful of where you put your attention, because that I want next topic. But yeah, is there something that you used to do that you loved but stop doing it now? I cannot think of anything right now, because me think everything where me love to do, me still do it. I can't think about nothing, but further down, if something come to me, you just drop it in back. What you cooking for Christmas dinner? All the little things. Chicken, goat, fish. You know, nothing too much, but yeah. If you should visit a country outside of Jamaica for a paid 3-day vacation, where would it be? Paid 3-day vacation. I would want to go to Bahamas, Curacao, and I don't know, somewhere nice, somewhere with nice pretty beach and all of them, you know, somewhere that is nice. How are you doing mentally? Thank you so much for asking. Mentally, I'm doing much better. Me stop ignore my feelings them, like even with the whole depression, when me did depress, me did I tell myself, so no, you're not depressed, it's just a little moment, like tomorrow you wake up and feel better. And nope, it got worse, way worse, like months. Me feel like me are drowning in every single thing. Like me can't think, me can't sleep. Me finally drop asleep, me used to feel so tired because everything just rests on my brain, and in my sleep it just feel like me have unfinished business. And me don't know if I ever get that feeling there, but in my sleep, like me I say, oh God, me never did done do this never start out, how this it was so hard. And from me start pay more attention to them stuff there and talk about certain things where bother me, I just feel so much better. So mentally I'm doing good, 100%. Being an adult, well, my life, my adult life right now, me don't know if me are gonna be 100% good mentally for now, but me steady for now. Are you pregnant? No, not a question. I love your personality. Thank you so much. advice on how to grow as a person. For me, I start to accept when I'm wrong, I admit it. Me not try to justify everything. You see that thing there? When you justify every single thing, like somebody talks about, somebody say your attitude stinks, and you say no, my attitude is not stink because nothing is wrong with defending yourself, you know. But sometimes when we want to do good and do the right thing, we have to really take a moment and sit down and say, is it true? Why them think my attitude stink? Like self-search. Sometimes when I have a quick fix, just clap back. Not a question. I love your content. Thank you so much. Sometimes I feel like me run out of idea, so you can always DM me and message me, you know, ideas. But thank you so much. What's the height? I not even remember. I think me a 5'5" or 5'6", something there. So if you proceed to move overseas, where would it be? I would want to move to Canada. Are you going to do wedding vlogs when it's closer to your wedding? Yes, me definitely I go do them. The guys, me not gonna left for no out. Me can't left for no out. How do you take care of your natural hair? I really do much, but my products, my favorite products, what my sister really grow my hair: castor oil, coconut oil, and me change my shampoo again. Me go insert it, put it right here, so, and me feel like me go stick with the shampoo there now because it helps. I love how it make my hair feel, I love how it smell, and I've seen a lot of changes. Me change it, me not lie, from the year start, me think me change shampoo about 3 or 4 times now, but this one, me think me gonna stick with it. Me just deal with it gentle, like when me a detangle, me not just have to come and run through it and stuff like that. Me just take time with my hair, to be honest, but products were really working on my hair: a castor oil, coconut oil, the shampoo when I start to use now. And normally me is not a big fan of shea products, like hair products, but this, it really a work. What do you hate / love about Jason the most? Hate is a strong word, but what I dislike the most is I don't know. I think it's a good thing for theme side, but it can be very unbothered, like really unbothered, to the point where if you accuse him of something and him know him not do it, him will never answer you. Him not defend himself, nothing. Him just a say, being unbothered is not a bad thing, you know, but Jason Levner unbothered is different. Like him not care. Even if him knows it, alright, say $10 there or so, and him knows that him not take up a $10, and you ask him and him say no, me not take it up, and you disbelieve him and you continue to say no, you have it, whatever, him will never answer you. Like him not care, him just ignore you like you not exist. And me talk to him about it and me explain where me I come from. But what I love about him the most is that him honest, and me mean scary honest. I would love to share this story with you, but one day, no one at the time for you. But him honest to the point where it's scary. If him find out something or me peep something, him not gonna BS me, and I really appreciate that. Yeah, it will mash up your meds, but I just love that. I don't know, sometimes I feel like I can't deal with honesty, but I always want it and I rather it, to be honest. Make me ball, make me do anything, make me hurt. I want the honesty. Tell me. Me will figure out how to deal with it. Now come tell me, but no, I never tell her because tell me the truth, make me ball. You know business what me I gonna do when you tell me the truth. Tell me and make me make my decision. Advice on how to live good with your parents. Stay far away. Well, for me, when me the far from my mother, me and her live super good. I realize that anytime me and her they close too long, we just always have to debate about something. And me not about like live bad, because me and my mother don't live bad, but like the miserableness just turn up strong, and me I say, okay, me need to leave right now. Like, can't deal with this. My bestie and I have been friends for 26 years. She went overseas to her husband and everything changed. I spoke to her about it and we ended up arguing. Then she blocked me. Whoa. How do I get over a friendship breakup? Oh. I've been in something similar to that. Not really similar, but similar. and it's very hard. And I don't know if you guys gonna agree with me. I just feel like a friendship breakup hurts more than a relationship breakup. Like boyfriend, husband and wife type of breakup, I just feel like the friendship one hotter. And probably it's just me. When I love really hard. If me tell you say you're my best friend, just know me love you. Me not measure out the amount of love I give to you. So you're not gonna hear me say, oh, me love my boyfriend 100% and me love you 95 or whatever the case is. No, I just put it in a one bracket and I say I give you guys genuine love. Me know it's supposed to hurt. And also if you have a friend and something that bother you, you're supposed to talk to them about it and just try to get little clarity. Me actually feel very bad for you because I don't know. I don't think I could block my friend because she talk about something where bother her, unless it not sound as simple as how you say it to me. Probably one argument come up, something say when I sit right with her or when I sit right with you, or probably turn our argument. Me don't know the depth on a argument or conversation one I did have. Me just, when it comes on to my friendship, I don't mind talking about certain stuff. Like if you have a problem, come to me, because when we have a problem and when you keep it to yourself and have me up over it, if I find out that my friend have me up over something when me know so we could have talked about, me don't know if me can continue with the friendship, because me don't want to me one earn, but I'm such a nice person. Like me we sit down and listen to you, me will make you vent, tell me how you feel, and we talk it out and just get past it. Like we are adults, so me not see what the whole heap of grown corner and throw status shade, and no, me not do them something there. If you're my friend, come to me, Andra, you said this and I didn't like it, and whatever the case is, because me not gonna fly up on you. Me gonna listen. Yeah, my friend, but I'm so sorry. I know it's supposed to be hard for you because I go through friendship breakup already, and I tell you say my ball on Jason morning, noon and night, because I did love my friend and everything. Even though me have to laugh about it because I just don't understand. And at the same thing me did I did talk about how I feel as well, and everything just take time, just go downhill and just fade away. When are you planning to have your first child? I not even plan. When the baby come, the baby come. Babies are a blessing, and I not plan. When it come, it just come, and we'll be aunties and uncles. What type of video do you prefer to watch on YouTube? I love outdoor cooking and the video them where them a build like container house and tree house and stuff like that. I love building, and them little video there, tips on how to save. Saving is not easy, but you have to learn to cut your eye for certain things you can't. So buy and want it. I remember me used to spend bad, like me I said no, me can't continue like this. Life is very hard. I have bills to pay, and me no want to reach in one situation where I have one bill to pay and me not having money. Me no love the uncomfortable feeling there, so me did know so me did have to save. I love how clean and tidy you are. I have OCD and me clean up something almost every 5 minutes, and me know some people come around me uncomfortable, but me always say no, just ignore me. Me got me like no. Me know, me see it on some people's face when them come around me, like them I say, Lord, how much time she go wipe this, so Lord, one day for me she has to pull up that, and them not really understand, but I feel like even Jason get uncomfortable enough times, but him just not say it. And I always say, babe, just ignore me. I just want the place to just, organize. Me another type of person that when somebody come over, me if you're running at the whole house and I sweep up and I push on the bed and we know people who clean up house a lot. We know when somebody just spray something in the settee, wipe out the house with little bleach in the map or something. We know. Yes, come in and let me know. And me, don't. Somebody who have OCD, come here. Don't we know? Me know, like, I don't think I go answer the more questions. Majority of the questions them is similar, so I go just gather up those together. So now ask me about baby, about the wedding, and about friendship. And as me say, when a baby come, a baby just come. Me not plan nothing in regards to the wedding. I gave you guys an update in a video, I think of the anniversary video, so I'm gonna just put the link down there in the description and you can just check it out. And in regards to friendship, life goes on. Bye guys.